Love yours. No such thing. No such thing as a life that.
I feel like Scooby-Doo, like a dog. Eat the bash like Scooby snacks, and I go hard. Girl, drop your man, cause I'll take you far. She drop it too.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to your girl's channel. It's your girl KJ, and in today's video I will be showing you guys what I got from the gate. I'm super excited to be showing y'all, so let's go ahead and get into it. But before we get into it, let's go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe to your girl's channel. You already know the deal. Okay. So I will be having the link in the description box below. Okay, so definitely check that out. But this is just how the box came. I love the box. I still have the box to this day. Okay, to this day. Y'all remember that video? To this day. So y'all, OMG. Okay, so this is just how the box looks on the outside. They got a little, messed up on the side, but these are just how the shoes look, and these are how they came. Baby, I was so excited to wear these. OMG. Honestly, I didn't know where to wear them to, but baby, I have them. So I got a size, I believe it was a 41 or 40 or 41, and it came with their thank you card and their information card, and their social media and stuff like that is on that card. And it also came with the Gucci receipts. Okay, and it also came with a Gucci like a, what is it, it's a bag, like a gift bag or something like that. I thought it was cute or whatever. I really didn't need it, but thank y'all. And then they also came with the Gucci, what is it, the wrapping paper or tissue paper. That's what it came with. But I really liked how the tissue paper actually go with the box. That was so cute to me. So yeah. So also a disclaimer, I will let y'all know that with this seller, the shoes are really nice. They very good quality. But if you have wifey like me, I recommend sizing up. To me, I would have sized like one size up. I mean, these are already big on me, but I mean, hey, I just got wide feet. But if my sister like wear these, she got narrow feet, so it's like she good with her size. But if you have wider feet, like where the toe area is, I would recommend sizing up. Now I did say this is a size 40 or 41, but it's just real snug around like the I don't know what that foot part is, but it's snug around that part. Okay, where the strap is, it's snug on me. But they fit me perfectly fine. I do like the quality of them. They real heavy and thick, okay? So like if you get into a fight, you can throw the shoe because that's how heavy it is. You know what I'm saying? Don't be fighting, but I'm just saying, you just never know. People crazy out here nowadays, you know what I'm saying? Or if a dude trying to, do something, you feel me? Just throw the shoe at his head, you feel me? Throw the shoe at his nuts, you feel me? I'm just playing. I'm just playing, y'all. I'm just playing. But the quality of the shoe is really, really nice. I really like them. They do come in this color, all tan, and they also come in another color that's all tan, but the foot part where you have your foot at, that's like red. And they also have like a navy blue with I think it's navy blue all over, and then they also have an all white. And I really kind of want the all white ones, but I ain't trying to get them dirty, you feel me? But I really like the quality of them. Me personally, I don't really know what the original looks like, so I couldn't really tell you, but I do know that these are really, really nice. I like them. I had some people in my comments saying like, oh, you can tell they fake and all that crap. Honestly, baby, I don't care how fake they is. Baby, the price wasn't fake. You feel me? So I think I paid with these $68 for these. And once again, the link will be in my description box. But just check out the quality though. The quality is really, really nice. Like, my people was like, oh, that more cute. I'm like, yes, girl, I know, honey. Then go ahead and get you your toes done. Girl, yes. But yes, y'all, once again, the link will be in my description box below. So definitely check it out. It's in my Beacon account, but I also will put it in my description box below. Also, if you guys like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl's channel. Y'all already know the deal. And if y'all want to see some other, DHgate DHgate stuff, go ahead and hit my link in my description box because your girl got some more stuff and I just purchased some more, so your girl got some more for y'all. Go ahead. But yes, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe, and go ahead and show this to the next chick that you know, your sister, your mama, your daddy. Go ahead, because you can ask your daddy and they can go ahead and get this for you for your birthday or something. I absolutely love these shoes. I still got them to this day. Okay, they are very comfortable. I like them. It just gives luxury, you feel me? But yes, once again, link is in the description box below. Go ahead and cop y'all some, and also like, comment, and subscribe to this channel, okay? And I'm gonna see y'all in my next one, y'all. Okay, bye y'all.